Imagine waking up every day knowing exactly what to do. No confusion, no stress, no wasted time. Sounds perfect, right? But most students start their day without a plan, and that's the biggest mistake. Because if you don't plan your day will plan you. Let's fix that. First, start your day the night before. Yes, planning begins before you even sleep. Take 5 to 10 minutes to write down your top 3 priorities for the next day. Not 10, not 15, just 3. These are the most important tasks that will actually move your studies forward. Next, wake up with purpose. You don't need to wake up at 5 a.m. like some success guru, but waking up just 30 minutes earlier can change everything. Use that quiet time to prepare your mind. No phone, no distractions. Now comes the most powerful trick, time blocking. Divide your day into chunks. For example, morning equals deep study, afternoon equals classes or revision, evening equals practice or light work. When you assign time to tasks, you stop wasting energy deciding what to do next. While studying, follow the 50 to 10 rule. Study for 50 minutes, then take a 10-minute break. This keeps your brain fresh and focused. No burnout, no boredom. Also, remove distractions. Keep your phone away or on silent. Every notification breaks your focus and it takes time to get it back. Remember, 1 hour of focused study is better than 3 hours of distracted studying. Another important part, don't forget revision. At the end of the day, spend at least 20 to 30 minutes reviewing what you studied. This simple habit can double your memory power. And yes, include time for yourself. Exercise, relax, talk to friends. This is not a waste of time. It actually improves your productivity and keeps your mind healthy. Finally, before going to bed, reflect on your day. Ask yourself, what did I complete? What can I improve tomorrow? This small habit will help you grow every single day. Remember, planning your day doesn't make life boring. It gives you control. It turns chaos into clarity. So, start today. Take a pen, write your plan, and take charge of your life. Because successful students don't just study hard, they study smart.